sounds disgusted by cats. Hello, I am Tantan. In this video, I will talk about the sounds that our cats dislike. Even though I was not aware of it, have you given a great deal of stress to pretty, cute, lovely cat of your angel? Then, please enjoy to the last with earning at the skill experience, reminiscent of the feeling of super healing sense. So, let's get started. 6 choices that cats dislike. 1. Vacuum cleaner. We are the cat whose ears are very developed. Can you imagine you are in the big cinema to put your ear listening to the speaker of huge volume? This is pretty heavy, isn't it? I have watched a video of the cat who is getting enthusiastic shocked by a vacuum cleaner, but I have no words. 2. Hair dryer. Shampoo with massage is not too bad, but we hate to get wet hair. As I have long hair, if I do not dry it tightly, it will be a big problem. Normally, my mom is kind and sweet, but the day of shampoo, because it will be a 3 hours spa course. From mother's heart, she tried to finish it as soon as possible. So even I don't like dryer, she won't forgive me. The sound of a hair dryer at my home is very scaring, and I'm not good at it. But when we finished, I will never forget that, sipping it to the mama surely and giving consideration. I will thank you for appreciation. 3. Tender. Sounds of scary tender. Even for humans, it sounds more than 10 times loud for cats, so it's really a bang. And it is more fearful because we do not know why the mechanism of natural phenomenon is unknown by cycling it. Defense instinct works as a fearful enemy attacks himself. If you are the hardcore cat mania tribe, even more amazing, do you know the sounds your cat dislike? Because I want you to tell me, please comment. Thank you very much until the end. I'm really thankful to you. In next video, I will continue of second part of 6 sounds disgusted by cats. I want you to watch the next video too. Please subscribe. Yang. It was Tantan.